It is my pleasure now to acknowledge our sponsors in the bronze, silver, gold, and diamond categories. It's my pleasure to invite, to do us the honor of presenting to our bronze and silver sponsors for this evening, our board chair, ably assisting the Princess Consort of Asanteman. Make welcome Her Royal Highness, Lady Julia Osei-Tutu. So the middle. In heartfelt recognition of the generous support awarding table, please. Mark, if you're here. In heartfelt recognition of their generous support, steadfast partnership, and invaluable contribution to the Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II Foundation over the years, we present these certificates and plaques to our sponsors in the bronze and silver categories. The first is Unij Limited. In the bronze category, Unij Limited. The board chair will present to a representative of Unij, and the Princess Consort will give a symbolic handshake. Please, a round of applause as they come. Middle. It is requested of all recipients to make their way through the middle, acknowledge His Majesty, receive the plaque, and then proceed to receive the handshake. Please. Thank you very much, Unij. And now to our bronze sponsor, All Star Insurance Limited. Mr. Peter Otedia leads the team from All Star Insurance Limited. Thank you very much for supporting tonight's program. Next is YOA Global Education. And the immediate past Minister for Education receives it on their behalf. The Honorable Dr. Educhum, thank you very much. Fidelity Bank, we're proud of you for your sponsorship in the bronze category. Please, a round of applause for them. And now Guarantee Trust Bank. Guarantee Trust Bank in the bronze category. We proceed to First Atlantic Bank. Hold on. First Atlantic Bank. Let us receive Asanko Ghana Limited. Asanko Ghana Limited. SIC Insurance PLC. From SIC, Zongo Nkoswo. And shortly we shall be going to the gold and diamond category. Thank you, Zongo Nkoswo. And now Chidom Fekwo. We proceed to Akwemu Fekwo. Humbly I ask that we hasten in our steps. Thank you, Chidom Fekwo. And now Akwemu Fekwo. Thank you very much, Akwemu Fekwo. And now to Kontre Fekwo. Yedamwase, Contrary Fekwo. And now to Benkum Fekwo. Benkum Fekwo. Regio Construction Limited. Regio Construction Limited. And that concludes it for the bronze. Please, a round of applause for all our bronze sponsors. 100,000 Ghana cedis. Thank you ever so much. And now to silver. We proceed to acknowledge A&C Development. 200,000 Ghana cedis. The king affirms his gratitude through the princess consorts. And now to Edusai Foundation, 200 Ghana cedis in the silver category. Also in the silver category, 200,000 Ghana cedis, Living Grace Limited, Mr. Adams. Silver category, special group of companies, 200,000 Ghana cedis. Thank you, special group of companies. And now to Jubel Specialist Foundation, 200,000 Ghana cedis. Jubail Specialist Foundation, 200,000 Ghana cedis in the silver category. Dr. Miniampong, together with the team, we say thank you ever so much. In the silver category, International Community School, 200,000 Ghana cedis. And finally, in the silver category, with 200,000 Ghana cedis, the Honorable Orusu Akoto Efriye. Please, a round of applause. Together, let's hear it up for all the bronze and silver sponsors. Please, a resounding round of applause. And help me express gratitude to the Princess Consort, Lady Julia Osei-Tutu, for doing us the honors. Please, a round of applause for her. And now to present for gold and diamond, it is my pleasure to invite our board chair to assist our king, Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, as he does the honor. Please, a round of applause. We begin with gold from 300,000 Ghana cedis in furtherance of our celebration this evening. Please, a round of applause for them all. We begin with the first. Here, Stool Council, 300,000 Ghana cedis. It's called Host and Win. And so we begin with EcoBank, 300,000 Ghana cedis in the gold category. EcoBank Ghana Limited. We shall proceed to Ashanti Professional Club, 300,000 Ghana cedis. Nana KJC Company, please get ready. Ashanti MPP Caucus, please get ready. Medimafu Herbal Clinic, please get ready. And COA, please get ready too. For now, EcoBank. Ashanti Professional Club, 300,000 Ghana cedis. Nana KJC Company Limited, please get ready. Nana KJC, 300,000 Ghana cedis. Okay. Ashanti NPP Caucus, 300,000 Ghana cedis. Midimafo, please get ready. Thank you, Ashanti MPP Caucus, for 300,000 Ghana cedis. Midimafo Herbal Clinic, 300,000 Ghana cedis. Midimafo Herbal Clinic, thank you all the same. COA Research, 300,000 Ghana cedis. And that concludes it for the gold category, core research. Please, a round of applause. And now to the grand category, diamond, 500,000 Ghana cedis. Make welcome Atashi Construction Limited. We're grateful. And now for 500,000 Ghana cedis in the diamond category, Coral Reef Innovation Hub. And finally, for 500,000 in the diamond category, JP Trustees. Ladies and gentlemen, a resounding round of applause for all our sponsors in the gold and diamond categories. We thank you, our King, for doing us the honor.